Okay, just another quick tutorial. Because we can, we're going to just go ahead and add Raspberry Pi as a VM. So we're going to want the Raspberry Pi desktop. Raspberry Pi. Favorite software. And we're going to download Raspberry Pi desktop. And you want to make sure that it is an ISO file. If it is not an ISO file, it will not work. And we're going to go ahead and download. Alright, so after it finishes downloading, we're going to hit new. So we're going to open our VMware. We're going to hit new. We're going to go to our downloads folder. So wherever your downloads folder is, you're going to select the ISO. We're going to give it a name. And it is a 32-bit Debian based system. And we're going to drop down to hardware. I'm going to leave that as I'll go ahead and leave this. Okay. Use existing hard drive. I do not want to use existing. I want to go ahead and create a new one. I'm going to put it where my other ones are. Put it. My other two are in. Okay. Finish. I'm going to go ahead and start it. I'm going to do a graphical install. It's not a graphical user interface. It's American English for me. Go ahead and use the entire disk. It's 21 gigabytes is set up. I'm going to leave it just generic so you can follow along. All files in one partition. Okay, finish partition. And I'm going to save those changes to the disk. Since the virtual drive is sectioned off on its own section of hard drive, this should be fine. I guess if I crash my system, then I'm wrong. But, yeah. It lets you, yeah, it lets you select the device. So this is saying that this is the only bootable device for this, and that's fine because it's sectioned off for itself. So it's finishing up the install now. It's finished installing. Moment of truth. If everything went according to plan. Alright, let's go ahead and let it run. It's giving me some interesting errors, but it's running. Alright, change this to whatever you need to change it to. Sure. Alright, I'm gonna make user name and password real quick. Alright, I'm just gonna skip the update for now, so it doesn't waste time. Let's go ahead and restart it. Now this is just a BIOS, so you can just ignore that and let it run. We probably didn't need to do that because we have a VMware, but I don't think it really hurts. And there you go, Raspberry Pi on a virtual machine.